Hi class, thank you so much for listening to my final presentation on my company, MyGex. As a reminder, MyGex commercially markets a product called MyGex 00, which is the first in-class migraine diagnostic that detects the presence and levels of CGRP, a known migraine biomarker. With this product, we have developed our proprietary CGRP binding ligand that assists in the detection of the levels of CGRP. This diagnostic is performed as a simple blood test in a physician's office with a turnaround time of about 24 hours. Just to remind you on the flow of how MyGex 00 fits into the diagnosis and treatment of migraine patients is a migraine patient would then receive the blood test in their physician's office. The physician would take the information that they have received from the test, and if there is no CGRP detected, the physician is then accurately able to prescribe the proper medication, any medication that is not a CGRP therapeutic that is on the market for migraine treatment. If there is CGRP detected, the physician would then take that knowledge along with the levels of CGRP and properly prescribe the correct medication and dose. Please note that there are multiple CGRP medications currently on the market, and this detection of the levels allows the physician to properly prescribe the correct dose that would provide relief for the patient faster. As it has been shown in our history, MyGex 00 is 90% accurate. It is used with a variety of marketed migraine treatments, not only CGRP medications, and shortened symptom durations. However, this product is marketed as a standalone diagnostic, not with a current migraine treatment. It has been unclear if if the sales of migraine drugs are promoted through the use of this diagnostic, and our sales are $5 million a year. We are currently struggling with fundraising and need some funds to move on. However, as it has been shown at the JP Morgan Annual Healthcare Conference, investors aren't really sold on the idea of the diagnostic, as they believe that migraine sufferers truly need a new therapeutic. When we started our company, Series A investors put in $5 million for 25% ownership with a 2x exit preference. We also have an option pool of 25%, and then I own 75%. Based on this, I'd like to walk you through a few exits that are a possibility for us. At a $5 million exit, investors would get 100%, and I, unfortunately, would get nothing. At a $10 million exit, again, investors would get 100%, which would be $10 million, and I would get zero. However, if we are able to achieve a $25 million exit, investors get 55%, or $13.75 million, and I would receive $8.44 million. While I am contemplating my next steps, two situations seem to have come up for us. Option one is Amgen, a leader in the migraine space, has offered us a structured buyout at 5 times our annual sales, which brings it to about $25 million. They're offering us $5 million upfront with additional payments over the next 2 years after achieving certain milestones. Additionally, Eli Lilly, another leader in the migraine space, has offered us $25 million upfront, half in cash, half in stock in Lilly, in order to shelve our product. They are doing so in order to disadvantage Amgen and reestablish themselves as a leader in the migraine space. Based on these two options, I have decided to go with option one, the structured buyout at $25 million from Amgen. You might ask why I choose to do this. I choose to do this because the belief in the value of the product. I have my own personal beliefs that this product can bring extreme value to the company, Amgen, that decides to buy it, and I believe that it has the potential to bring in high commercial sales. Additionally, it allows for the potential for Amgen to become the leader in the migraine space. I came to this conclusion because Eli Lilly has offered us $25 million in order to shelve the product to keep themselves as a leader. So truly, they believe that this product would establish Amgen as the leader, and they believe that this product has a $25 million commercial potential. Additionally, it has been shown that the value of a diagnostic increases when commercially paired with a therapeutic. By going with option one, our diagnostic, MyGex 00, will be commercially paired with Amgen's CGRP therapeutic, again bringing more relief to patients faster. Amgen also offers very strong experience and a depth of resources that would be able to drive the commercial value of our product up. As a leading biotech company and having established a migraine pipeline, Amgen is the right partner for this diagnostic, not only to sell it correctly, but potentially create next generation diagnostics down the line. And additionally, when looking from a financial point of view, while the upfront payment is only $5 million, at the bare minimum, that does pay our investors back. However, I truly believe that Migrex will be able to achieve the milestones that Amgen has laid out, which will eventually allow us to have the $25 million exit that we are seeking. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to my presentation, and I appreciate any feedback. Thank you so much.